Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm out here again. It's been 2 days later. Happy belated Easter to all of you. I have no idea when this video will be up. It might be a week, it might be a little bit more. But, so the Cubano video, I was really unsatisfied with how it came out. So, what I'm going to try this time, is I've got these let me get the viewfinder so you can see it. I got these, it's four-pack Stonefire Mini Non-Originals. And this is going to be the sandwich base. Again, it's not Cuban bread. I got the proper pickles this time. Dill, the only way to roll, in my opinion. And I found this, because you can't really buy sliced roast pork. And I thought of it this morning, so I got Curly's sauceless pulled pork. So we're going to try that out. And I like the container it comes in. And then I have the other days just a little bit of Swiss cheese left over. But I went and bought more just in case I needed it. And then I still have the ham, and of course the mustard. Really curious. Let's open this up and have a look. Oh, it's actually in a little like pouch. Interesting. Well, that's cool. That's what it looks like. Wasn't cheap either. So, I'm just waiting for my fire, but thought I'd go ahead and show you the ingredients. And then we got some mustard right here. So, they're just mustard packets from any store. You know, the Heinz mustard. So I got that ready. Probably not going to do a hot drink because it's sunny and when the weather starts getting warm, I want to drink hot drinks less. But I'm going to stir the fire and see where we're at. And then, man, I'm going to get those Cubanos going. Alright. I'm hoping the naan works out. Because I've bought this naan before. And I thought it was okay. If you're a fan of Indian cuisine like I am, I love a good creamy coconut chicken curry. Love it. But I always get naan bread with it to dip in the sauce. Really good. So, see where we're at fire-wise. Although I don't really need coals. I just need a good spot. So I may be able to stir the fire and get the pie irons on, get them warmed up, and get going. Oh, I got my ghee, clarified butter, sitting over in the sunshine to soften it up. It's easier to spread. So let's get rolling. Okay. So what I did is I basically took this over to the pie iron and I sort of measured it. All I gotta do is trim off the ends here and they should fit right in the pie iron. Theoretically. Fingers crossed at least. So we're gonna make this up. So I know how much. Okay, there's that. Here's the ham. I'm gonna go with 2 pieces. Why not? So I broke the pork up a little bit already, but so here's the pork, which I didn't shred all of it because it was kind of falling out of the container a little bit, so I quickly stopped so not to waste more than I needed. Again, I know the bread is wrong, but I don't know where I can buy Cuban bread around here. I might have to go home and Google it or start asking some questions. But with everything being closed down lately, I don't know if they'll even be open. Okay. Yeah. That is the dill pickle goodness. Okay. I really hope I can shut this. Alright. There we go. See how that does. Alrighty, so what I end up doing is I kind of push it right on top of the coals, or the burning down logs. Come on, let go. That's actually nice and brown. I think I'm gonna call that. That looks. So let's see if I can. There you go. One Cubano. Looks. Bread. I mean, everything is cooked, so it's not like I'm having to cook anything from raw. So let's set those there. Get that camera fixed. All right. Let's give this guy a taste. You know what? That's some loud gunfire. And also, that's a tasty sandwich. Yeah, the naan bread surprisingly worked really well. It's better with the dill pickle for sure. Wow. Alright, that sandwich was so good, I decided to make another one. You might have noticed I already made one on the last one. It didn't even compare to how good this one came out. It was crunchy, it was melty, it was delicious. It was just an overall really good sandwich. And that naan bread worked surprisingly well. I'm going to have to remember that for next time. And I didn't really have to cut, I only had to cut off just a very little bit too. So, I'm not really using the pot stand as much, or the grill or whatever. It's kind of there for support. You should get yourself a pair of pie irons if you've been thinking about it. They're pretty nice. I mean, the round ones are not bad either. I mean, you can do English muffins really easy. Get them thin. I bet that little thin white bread you can get, I bet that would be really good in here, depending on the filling. But yeah, you just gotta season them like you would a cast iron skillet. Try to take care of them. I mean, I could probably take a little bit better care of them, to be honest, but I mean, it's not like they're sitting out in the rain or anything. I mean, alright, so I went ahead and pulled it off the fire. Let's have a look at this puppy. The bread kind of sticks in there, but nice and brown. Oh yeah. You can hear that. Oh yeah. Piece of pork. Oh yeah. That is money. Man, that naan bread works really well. I'll have to remember that next time.